So Nifty is currently trading at 15,750 levels with almost 400 points down, and Bank Nifty is currently trading at 33,300 to 500 levels. So the next support for Bank Nifty is at 33,000 and 32,000, and that for Nifty stands at 15,650 and 15,500. Nifty IT index has fallen almost 25% from its recent highs, but and short term it is looking negative. But two stocks are looking quite for short term bullish or showing signs of trend reversal. First stock is Oracle Financials Limited. The support is at 3400 and the target comes out at 3550 and 3750. And the next stock is TCS with with targets of almost 3700, 3800 and 4000 with support coming out at 3350 levels.